murders. It's famous for murders.
Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, Ruthie and I are taking a trip up north and we're going to do a bit of a fall colours tour. Ruthie's parents are taking the boys for a couple of days and we get to escape.
Yay!
Luke, Adam, if you ever watch this one day, we love you. We do, we really do. But like, yeah, we're glad to get away for a couple of days.
Bye. Why video selfie?
I'm gonna splice this into the video.
Oh, okay.
So, hello.
Hi.
Hey guys. We just got to one of the lakes north of Duluth, half an hour kind of north,
Yeah,
right-ish.
really pretty.
Rice Lake,
Sure.
maybe?
I don't know.
It's on the way to Canada. It's almost Canada, but it's so gorgeous here.
There's an offie across the street for your Coors Light needs.
Hey, did you notice the English slang, guys? Offie.
2 or 3 years ago, when Luke first arrived, we had a similar kind of weekend away where we went to, where was it?
Stevens Point.
Stevens Point in Wisconsin, where Ruthie went to school. And we did a little bit of a Q&A on the way. And that's where the hashtag more Ruthie, less James started.
Is it?
Yeah.
That's funny.
And I get that quite a lot still.
Sorry.
So Ruthie's going to be in this video, you guys.
Yay!
So I'm going to ask you 2 or 3 questions, and then you can ask me 2 or 3 questions.
That's exciting.
All right, you want to go first, or I go first?
I will go first.
All right, hit it.
Favorite barbecue place you've ever had barbecue?
Like ever?
Yeah.
Well, that's.
Bubbies. It can be based on location, quality of food, anything.
Okay, so
Atmosphere.
I would say the ribs at Bubby's in New York City on the top of Northmore and Hudson are absolutely incredible. But
Okay.
no, I would probably say it was, oh my God, the pressure. Where was that barbecue joint we went to in Charleston? Or was it Savannah?
Wait, the
It
one
was
on
like-
Hilton Head Island?
No.
It was like Hilton. It wasn't Porky's.
Oh, I'm failing at this, obviously.
We didn't go to Husk and have like ribs.
No, it was like that roadside, off the road, tiny place which looked like it hadn't been cleaned in about 60 years, but the barbecue was amazing.
Oh, where was that?
It was on a county road, basically, somewhere between Charleston and Savannah, Georgia. And on the road trip, we stopped, pulled off. I mean, like roadside barbecue in a little shack
I don't even remember where
is
that
like the
was.
best. Anyway, that's probably it.
Okay. Yeah, the guy was like smoking it out the back of the shack, right?
Exactly. It was like, yeah.
I mean, it was like...
He looked like he lived in his smokehouse.
I'm pretty sure he did.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure he did. It was amazing. Anyway.
So good.
All right.
That was my first question for you.
Okay.
My second question. If you could get any Porsche that you wanted, like right now, say if wife makes like a boatload of money in this new real estate career, and I take you to the Porsche dealership and I say, pick out anyone you want, what would you do?
Oh.
If I, made the big dollars.
Oh my goodness. Well, first off, everybody, my wife Ruthie is now a realtor.
Yay!
Congratulations, Baker.
Hooray! Ruthie's House and Home.
Hashtag Ruthie's House and Home.
Yep. You can follow me on the Instagram.
There you go. Okay. Which Porsche would I have? It would probably be a second generation 991 GT3.
What color?
Oh, like in a sort of like midnight blue color, or just actually black.
Okay, with a stripe?
Yeah, something like that. Write this down.
with a stripe or no stripe?
Oh my goodness, Minnesota, your roads are showing. Awful.
Sorry.
No stripes, no stripes. I'd want to add any stripes that, you know, come what may, we'll see.
Like a Pontiac Grand Dam.
Exactly, yeah,
Yep.
exactly. All right. Yeah,
All right.
probably that, yeah.
Other things. Okay, so where is the place? Because I know we are not doing travel in the 2020-2021. We're probably going to not be on an airplane.
Yeah.
Where do you want a road trip to in your Porsche over the next year?
Ooh. Well, I'd love to finally make it over for the Rennsport Dragon Rally at Tail of the Dragon.
Oh.
I was going to go in June, but it kind of got cancelled, or
Oh, no.
the event didn't get cancelled, but all of our local Minnesota Porsche and Pancakes guys, we basically collectively decided to cancel because of COVID.
Smart.
And there's actually one going on in a couple of weeks, which I'm unable to make.
Oh no.
So I'd love to do that, or I'd love to sort of road trip west and like finish up in Seattle or Vancouver,
Oh, wow.
but like go through like the Black Hills, or the Badlands, the Black Hills, through Wyoming, and sort of like, you know, do that kind of swoop
Right.
up. Yeah, that would be amazing.
Would you then like load the Porsche onto a train and then take the train back? Or what would you
No, I'd just drive it.
Oh.
I don't really care about putting miles in the car.
do? Okay.
Yeah, it's all good.
All right.
Wow, good questions. All right, my question's for you.
Oh boy.
Number one, has that no good, rotten son of a monkey, gorilla owning Nick Murray been in touch with you or been trying to hit on you on Instagram?
I don't think so. Yeah, like he occasionally sends a nice comment here or there, but no hitting and
Good
no
to know.
on.
Good to know.
Good job, Nick Murray. Keep your distance.
Okay. If husband all of a sudden, if
You.
made boatload of money from somewhere,
Right.
and we could get shut of the Highlander, what car would you get?
The Toyota Highlander.
You just replace it with a Highlander.
I love my Highlander. I love it. I love the hybrid. If they came out with an electric, I would get it.
Oh, a fully electric Highlander.
Yep. Save the earth.
But you wouldn't like a fully electric Cayenne or a fully electric, I don't know.
Sorry, Porsche people. No.
It's Toyota all the way.
Yep. Give me my Japanese cars.
Would you like get a fancy Toyota and get a Lexus
No.
electric SUV?
No.
Because that's what a Lexus is.
No.
Okay.
No. No. I like my Toyota Highlander. I am a basic suburban biatch with, you know, my Highlander and my Starbucks cup and my Target runs, and I like it that way right now.
All right.
We'll see. Someday I might upgrade, like for my little fun real estate car, I might get one of those little cute Audi 4-seaters with the convertible and like
Oh, you do like that?
tool
Yeah.
around Lake Minnetonka with that.
Okay.
I would like it in white because again, I am an old lady.
Okay, old lady Ruthie. Okay, very good. Third question.
Ready?
Pandemic, like you said, we're not traveling, we're not going anywhere.
Nope.
What has been your like favorite new activity that we do on a regular basis, or like either with like the family, with the kids, or just by yourself? Now that we're not going to restaurants and shopping malls and all that sort of stuff.
I really like going to parks with you and the boys. I am not usually a nature person, but I've really found like it's pretty magical to go and even just look at the ladybugs or to see the water. Like even today, Luke said, "Look at the water sparkling on the lake," and I just thought, that's really sweet. How dear that like that's what
I
you
know,
notice.
right? Gorgeous.
And I mean, I think that the boys are appreciating nature a lot, and I feel like it's such a nice thing, and we're so lucky to live in Minnesota and have so many beautiful parks. And
Good job, Minnesota.
yay, other than the roads.
All right, let's go see some full colors.
Yay, colors.
So tonight we're staying in Duluth at the Fairfield Inn, which has just been renovated or whatever, but it's by the waterfront and there's a great view of Duluth. Let's go take a quick look. Duluth is located on the southwestern tip of Lake Superior. It sits halfway between Minneapolis and the Canadian border. Founded in 1679, it was once home to more millionaires per capita than any other city in the world through tourism, healthcare, finance and banking, mining and shipping. Today, it's a great escape for people who live all over Minnesota and the Midwest for its lake life, its hiking, its mountains. It's a beautiful place to visit. Morning, guys.
Hi.
Day 2, Split Rock Lighthouse. Gotta watch out for bears.
Ah!
Where are the bears, Baker?
Over there.
Pretty glorious day here in the north shore of Lake Superior.
Yep.
Had fun out at Duluth last night. We found a brewery that had outdoor seating and had cheese curds and all that good fried Minnesota food.
Canal Park Brewing.
Canal Park Brewing, yeah. So
Tasty.
just gonna go for a wander, try and avoid the bears, see what's good. Smile, Baker.
I'm smiling under my mask.
We're at the historic mansion of Glensheen.
Yeah.
What happened to Glensheen, Baker?
Free.
Murders.
Murders.
It's famous for murders. It's like an episode of Fargo. Well, guys, 2 days in Duluth, a quick escape, fall colors, just absolutely gorgeous.
Yep.
What do you think, Ruthie? Fun?
Loved it. Great.
So, you know, what else can we say? Loads of fun. We got to drive up and down the North Shore. Split Rock Lighthouse is as gorgeous as ever. Quite frankly, it was just nice to sleep in.
Yep. Yep.
Now it's back to reality and our 2 lovely boys. But stay tuned, and now quickly, everybody in the comments wish Ruthie luck with her new career in real estate.
Oh, thanks, honey.
Because she said after she sells her first 10 houses, she's going to be buying me my Turbo S or GT3.
That's not what I said.
It's totally what you said.
I said when I hit my first like $1 million, I'll buy it for you. But the first 10 houses, we're going to take Luke to Legoland.
Luke does really like Lego, to be fair. All right, Legoland first, Porsche later. All right. But at some point, I will be that guy who's driving around in the car that his wife bought him. I love it. I can't wait.
Yep.
All right, more 996 videos coming soon.
I'm going to play chase with this beautiful R8 that's in front of me, and we'll see you in another video soon. Take care. Bye.
Bye.